So, you want to create electricity in Blender. Start by selecting the default cube, go into Edit mode, press M, and choose Merge at Center so you're left with a single vertex. From there, press E to extrude and create the shape you want for your electric arc. Select the vertices at both ends, go to the Object Data Properties, create a new vertex group, and click Assign. Next, go to the Modifiers tab and add a subdivision surface modifier to smooth the shape. Then add a displace modifier. Create a new texture and click the button to open the texture properties. Set the type to clouds. Go back to the modifier and change the coordinates to object. Select the vertex group you created and enable invert. Set the direction to the x-axis. Duplicate the displace modifier twice and set one to y and another to z, so the deformation happens in all directions. Now press Shift A and add an empty. For each displace modifier, set the object field to that empty. When you move the empty, the electricity will animate and shift shape. Next, add a skin modifier. Go into Edit mode, select the end vertices, and press Ctrl A to scale them down. Then select all vertices and press Ctrl A again to adjust the thickness of the entire strand. Now, go to the Shading tab and create a new material. Delete the principled material and add an emission shader. Increase the strength to around 100 and choose a color for your electricity. Adjust your camera and render an image. Then go to the Compositing tab, click New, and press Shift A to search for a glare node. Set the type to Bloom to give the electricity a glowing effect. Finally, to animate it, select the empty, go to the first frame, and press I to insert a keyframe. Move forward in the timeline, move the empty, and insert another keyframe, and that's it. Your electricity effect is ready.